What do you like?
I like food.
What do you like?
I like fish.
What do you like?
I like rice.
Today we will go to the Co.Op supermarket. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go!
La boo, la boo, la boo boo. The cutest dolls dancing through la boo, la boo, la boo boo. In a world of dreams so true. La boo, la boo, la boo boo.
So heavy, so heavy, so heavy. Mango. What color is mango?
Yellow.
Green and
Yellow.
yellow. Green and yellow.
I like banana.
What is that color? Blue. You like?
I like it.
Pink. Pink dress for you. I like pink dress.
Want milk. I want milk. Okay, now, what do you want?
I like it.
Very good. You say I.
India flower.
Flower. What color is that?
Yellow.
Very good. Now let's go.
Green. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do.
Good. Good, good. You like ice cream?
Yes, I do.
Good. And what color is this ice cream? Green. And this one? And this one? Purple. Wow. Very good.
What do you want?
I like water. I like water.
Yeah, you say I like water.
I like water.
What do you like?
I like food.
Very. You say orange juice.
Orange juice.
Mango. What do you want to buy?
I want to buy.
Okay, you put in here. You put in here. Buy snake.
I want to buy nut.
Let me get.